Hi, good morning from day two. It's like 6 a.m. Yesterday night I slept at 9:30, 9:45 ish and I woke up at 5 a.m. मुझे नहीं याद मैंने last time इतना लंबा कब सोई हूँ. I think achievement, oh my god. But ठंड है यार, बारिश भी हुई है कल रात में. Clouds तो है, stars नहीं दिखे हैं. But to summarize yesterday, we had like a good team bonding session. हमने सबके नाम याद रखे. फिर उसके बाद हमने स्नैक्स भी किया like tea and चाउमीन I think. And then we had dinner. Oh my god, the food was so good. Had पनीर की सब्जी और रोटी, rice, दाल and दूधी का हलवा. And it was so tasty and it was so hot and felt like a warm hug, honestly. We were doing their own thing and then we slept. I thought इतने जल्दी कौन सोता है? Then I went in the sleeping bag and I'm like, yeah, मैं जा रही हूँ सोने. कल मिलते हैं. Up since 5 a.m. I woke up. I journaled in the morning. It's feeling great. Like, कल ना the tech instructor उसने बात बोली. For what I had done was, for 5 days of the trek, I had 5 themes in my life that I want to journal about. Yesterday's theme was about what is it that I want from my future and why am I so desperate about getting it, right? When I journaled yesterday, it realized that I'm not present in the moment. I'm not my home when I am in the city. So when I'm traveling, I am my home. That's why I'm so happy these days. When I go back, what can I do to be my home, right? It would essentially be spend time with myself, introspect, self love, and do things that you like, and take out time for yourself, no matter how busy and chaotic the world is. It is around the theme that I wrote. And Hari, yesterday after the session, one thing that he had learned over the time was that जैसे सोचते हैं कि टाइम बहुत फास्ट जा रहा है. तो जनवरी था, अब जुलाई आ गया. It's like the injury was now and that's happened in mid-March. Mid-March से mid-July आ गया और टाइम हो गया है अब. नहीं होता है realize. क्यों? Because we don't introspect each day. We don't sit and think about what happened today. Like every day is unique. No matter what, every day is unique. There's something the day has to offer. So we did a small exercise of what are you grateful for today or what went really well, what didn't go so well, and what can you do to make tomorrow better. वो हमने किया. Like this is a sign from the universe because this is something that I wanted to do. This is hardly going to take me time in my everyday life. Hardly going to take like 5 minutes every day. It's easy, but it's exactly what I was looking for from yesterday on how I can be my home and how I can sit back no matter how busy and chaotic the day is. If this resonates with you, let me know. Try it out. I think in the morning, when I woke up, I journaled the same, like because कल तो मैंने लिखा नहीं था ये सब. तो मैंने सुबह उठ के वही लिखा कि what went well, what didn't go well, and what I could improve today. It's fresh. It feels achieved something yesterday, and yesterday was unique, and today is going to be unique to today itself. So I think that's all for now. Um, we have black tea now and then breakfast, and we leave. Today we travel like 5 kilometers, and there's a river crossing that I'm really scared about because the water is so cold. Like अभी सुबह brush करना मुंह धोना भी बहुत मेहनत था. तो let's see. Yeah. Okay. Bye. I'll see you around.
ओके थैंक यू टीम दाल बहुत बढ़िया दाल तो अभी का इडली सांभर भी मस्त तो कश्मीर आ गई पहाड़ों में हम लोग
Hi. Welcome back. And we've completed the day 2 milestone. Yay! I know. We are at the Jawar campsite, and it was like a 4.5 to 5 kilometers trek today, and it was nice. Like, I think I have become more physically fit in these year and this 6 months, and I realized that like there was a point of time where I was in the front. I was like, मैं सबसे last रहने वाली हूँ, मुझे पता नहीं, I don't want to go back. But no, that didn't happen. I did trek properly. I was not breathless like a lot. Yeah, a little puffy, but okay.
ऊपर ऊपर.
Oh, हाँ, and we had two river crossings. Like usually एक होता है, but this time we had two because a bridge broke in the whole water flooding situation because it was raining so much. So we did river crossing twice. And you don't feel your legs after a while. Like it gets so numb, they start paining and it starts burning and oh my god.
How was it? So good, yaar.
And my nose is turned red and my legs are red. And amazing. Like it. But it's good, it's going great. Like this campsite has so many kinds of flowers and we're surrounded by flowers. Yeah, we had lunch. We were given a welcome drink situation also. So now we're just gonna chill until the evening and then we have snacks and I don't know what we do next. Okay, so something that I would like to talk about also today is that while I was trekking, I suddenly remembered a conversation I had with a friend recently on why do I exactly travel? And you know, my answer has been changing over the years a lot. There was a point where for this trek, I was excited because I thought, like, whatever I've told people is that this trek is going to change my life. I'm going to get perspectives and I'm going to get, um, you know, direction or self realizations in life. And that's why this trek is very important because I also want to see how physically fit I can get and just a lot, right? And then that person told me, ये तो मैं मेरे फ्रेंड्स के साथ बैठ के भी कर सकता हूँ, उसके लिए इतना ट्रैक करने की क्या ज़रूरत है? एंड आई रियलाइज्ड कि हम फ्रेंड्स के साथ बैठ के कर सकते हैं, पर क्या हम करते हैं? क्या हम like when you're walking each step and there are rivers and there are boulders and then there are this like mushy mud and yeah, exactly. You know, there's just so much and the huge mountains and the clouds and the trees and water stream. उस सब के बाद you realize how tiny you are, how tiny your problems are, and everything like this gives you a different kind of peace. It acts as a catalyst to all of your perspectives. जो तुम्हें सिटी में बैठ के आई थिंक 10 दिन लगते थे फिगर आउट करने के लिए, I feel it will reduce like at least half, because here you're spending time with yourself, you're talking to yourself, and it's very important to talk to yourself. And coming from me, it's a big deal. Trust me, I talk a lot with others.
क्या फोटो निकलना है क्या? कंफ्यूज की ऐसा क्यों कर रही है?
So I don't end up talking to myself when I'm back home. But yeah, that's why I love solo travel, because I get my me time. I talk to myself and
There.
oh wow. It started raining again. The moment we remove our raincoats, it starts raining. An on-off rain situation the entire time. But okay, bye bye. I'll see you next time.